Hey there guys, and welcome back to the second part of Python for Absolute Beginners. In this video we're going to be learning on how to use conditions in Python. So we're going to start by creating a new directory like we always do, or you can use an existing one as well. Conditions in Python. We're going to open idle. If I can find it in here. First of all, I'm going to create a new file and save it into the new directory that I just created. Where is it at? Oh, quick access, desktop, and conditions in Python. Alright, so the first line in this one is going to be welcome to the user. So print welcome to Python program. Once we've done that, we're going to leave a blank line space and we're going to ask the user for his name. So we're going to do name equals input. The input type is going to be string, and we'll say please enter your name to begin. So we've done last tutorial, we've done variables and how to take input from the users. So what we're going to do is we're going to print welcome hello, comma the name that we've taken from the user. Once we've done with that, that's pretty much the last tutorial of what we've learned in the last one. So in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to learn about if conditions, elif conditions, and else conditions. So let's say this program, just for the sake of this tutorial, this program is going to determine whether a certain user can vote or not. So all that the program needs to do is welcome the user, take the name from the user, greet the user hello, and afterwards ask the user for his or her age. So we'll create a new variable called age, and we'll say, first of all I'm going to create a blank line, and we will say age equals input. Actually, we're going to take an integer input, so it's going to be int integer input. Please enter your age. So once we've taken the age from the user, we need to kind of let the program to think whether the user is over the age of 18 or is at the age of 18 or is below the age of 18. So how we do that is using if conditions. We'll start by saying if the age equals or is greater than 18, we're going to print, hey, you are allowed to vote. So that's going to be the statement if the user's age which he or she enters is greater or equal to 18. We also need to do another statement where we put an else. We can do that else. We can say print you do not qualify to vote. Sad face. Once we've done that, we're just going to run the program just to check if it works. As I thought, yeah. So instead of doing it in the same line, what we might do is we're going to do if age is greater than 18, we say, hey, you're allowed to vote. And also we're going to do elif, which is like another condition. You can add more than one condition within the same if and else. So you can say elif age equals, you need to do a double equal if you want to say equals 18. What we can do is print the same thing as above, hey, you are allowed to vote. because the user is 18. So we're going to run the program now, and here we are saying welcome to our Python program, please enter your name to begin, Johan. It says hello Johan, please enter your age, 18. Hey, you are allowed to vote. So the program works. What we need to do is test the other bit as well. So we're going to try entering an age that is smaller than 18. And if it says you do not qualify to vote, then the program pretty much works. So let's do 15. And then it says you do not qualify to vote. So that was it for today's tutorial, guys. That's how you use conditions in Python. The next tutorial is going to be on how to use different loops in Python and more basic stuff. Please stay tuned for more and help me reach my target subscriber count of 1,000. So till the next one, peace out.